whispers echo the breeze. City lights like distant memories, caught in the glow of neon dreams. Dancing shadows, torn at the seams. Broken hearts find solace at night. Lonely souls keep holding on tight. Sweet serenades fade into blue. Love's a puzzle, missing a clue. Heartstrings play the melody, lost in your touch, feels like a symphony. Every note wraps around my soul. In this dance, losing all control. Silent promises haunt the dawn. Familiar faces, but love is gone. Echoes linger in empty rooms, chasing colors through the gloom. Time, it slips like grains of sand, holding on to what we can. Eyes that speak poems left unsaid, writing stories never read. In your touch feels like a symphony. Every note wraps around my soul. In this dance, losing all control. Going down the beaten road, every mile my heart explodes. Chasing skies with dreams unbound, on the highway to the clouds.